Are you struggling to create an impactful PowerPoint slide for your presentation? Not to worry. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create this impressive animated slide in a very simple way. So let's begin. Go to View, click Guides. Go to Insert, Shapes, Basic Shapes, select Oval, drop it at the center. In Shape Format, go to Size and Properties. Input height and width to 1 cm. Go to Shape Outline, select No Outline. Now place the circle at the center. Go to Insert, Shapes, Basic Shapes, select Arc. Drop it on the slide. Go to the Shape Outline, Weight and select 6 points. In Shape Format, go to Size and Properties. Input height and width as 16 cm. Place the arc appropriately. Hold the edge of the arc and extend until half. Select the half circle and press Ctrl D. Now select the new half circle, go to the Shape Format, Size and Properties and input height and width as 6 cm. Place the half circle appropriately. Now decrease some of the length from both of the ends. Let's color the oval and the arcs. Let's select the color purple for both. We need another oval shape, so click this oval shape and press Ctrl D. Select the new oval shape, go to Shape Format, Size and Properties and input height and width as 8 cm. And then place the oval at the center. We need to make this oval transparent by having no color in both Shape Fill and Shape Outline. Select both Transparent Circle and Small Arc. Now group them. To add clock hand, go to Insert, click Shapes. In Basic Shapes, click Pentagon Shape. Click the pentagon shape. In Shape Format, go to Size and Properties and input height as 6.6 and width as 0.7. Place the clock's hand at the center facing 0 degrees. Now press Ctrl D and place the other clock hand at the center facing 180 degrees. Click the top clock hand and color it with pink. Later, click the lower clock hand and make it transparent. After this, group both clock hands. Post grouping, send the clock hand back. Now 6 images need to be placed on this bigger arc and place it at an even standard distance. Space needs to be created for the images. Let's select all and shift the entire elements to the left. To save time, I've already found 6 images and the necessary text. Let's copy all and paste it on the master slide. Since the clock hand starts from 0 degrees, we can directly place the image and the text right away. Now, the other 5 images need to be placed evenly. Wondering how to find even space between the images? Well, here is the solution. We have to divide 180 by 5, which is 36. This means after every 36-degree gap, image needs to be placed. That is 36, 72, 108, 144, and in the end, 180. Let me explain to you how. Select the clock hand. In shape format, go to size and properties. Input 36 in the rotation option. We can see the clock hand shifting to 36 degrees. Let's place the image and text on the arc appropriately. Again, we need to follow the same step, but this time we need to input 36 plus 36, which is 72, and then place the image and text. We follow the same process, and this time we input 72 plus 36, which is 108. Let's place the image and text. We repeat the same process, and this time we input 108 plus 36, which is 144. Let's place the image and text. Since we know the position of the last image, we can directly place the image and text on the edge of the arc. Note: height and width of all the images should be 2.5 centimeters. And text is Britannic with 24 as the size. Now let's place the clock hand back to the first image, which is 0 degree. To add shadows, select all. In picture format, go to the effect option. Keep transparency as 72. Size 103. Blur 4. Angle 0 and distance as 3. We can see that all the elements in the slide have a shadow effect. Let's add animations to all the elements. Click Oval, go to Animation. In Subtitle option, select Expand. Then go to Animation pane. In the Timing option, select On Click. Select Small Arc, go to Animation. In Basic, select Fly In. Then, to change the direction, go to Effect option and change direction to From Right. In Timing, go to Start option and select After Previous and duration as 0.5 seconds. We follow the exact same process for the bigger arc. Now, we select Smaller Arc. Go to Animations. In Basic, select Spin. Go to the Effect option. In Property Type, 180 degrees clockwise, and in Timing option, select After Previous and duration 2 seconds. Select the pentagon shape, which is a clock hand. Go to Animation. In Basic, select Wedge. In Timing option, go to Start and select After Previous and duration as 2 seconds. Select the first image. In Animation, go to Subtle category and select Swivel. In Timing option, go to Start and select After Previous and duration as 2 seconds. Select the first text box. In Animation, go to Basic and select Peak. Now, go to Effect option and select from left. In Timing, go to Start option and select After Previous and duration as 0.5 seconds. Select pentagon shape. In Animation, select Spin. In Effect option, go to Property and update as 36 degrees clockwise. In Timing option, go to Start and select After Previous and duration as 2 seconds. Note: every time we add spin animation to the pentagon shape, it needs to be 36 degrees. Now, we need to add animation for both image and the text. Since we have applied animation for the first image and text, the same needs to be applied for all. All we need to do is use Animation Painter option. This option helps to transfer animation from one image to another and from one text to another without consuming a lot of time. Click the first image, go to Animation Painter, then click the second image. Click the first text box, go to Animation Painter, then click the second text box. Now, we need to follow standard animation process for all. First is the pentagon shape, second is the round image, and third is the text. Here we can see a standard step-by-step process is getting followed. This will go on until the last image and text. We have now completed the entire animation process. Now, go to View, unclick Guides. Go to Design. In Format Background, click Pattern Fill option and select first pattern, which is dotted 5%. Go to Foreground and select Pink color. With this, we complete this animation-based presentation. Enjoy the full screen view on slideshow. It's time for me to go now. Thank you for watching the entire video. Request you to like and share this video. Also, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.